Hey y'all, Detroit Autorama 2013, and I got a little 69 Camaro called 6 Seconds. 6 Seconds. Twin turbocharged, listen to me closely, 3,350 horsepower. So, anyways, the owner's not here, but I think I got a clip yesterday of it running, so this should make a pretty cool video. But anyways, let me get this camera turned around and show you what I'm talking about, 3,350 horsepower. There's a sandwich board over here. We'll get into exactly all that it's got. Twin turbos, 3,350 horsepower. It's a race car. Only a street car. Although, you know, you probably could get away with driving. You can't do it with them slicks back there, I don't guess. But maybe, who knows. Looks like you got DOT tires on the front. Good looking car though. Airbrush, look at that. It's kind of like herringbone or carbon fiber. Very cool. But here you go. Dual precision 94mm turbos. Steve Morrison aluminum 615 BBC. Turbo 400 transmission. 3,350 horsepower. Best run to date, 6.9, 4.25 mile run, 208. Only 20 pounds of boost, so that wasn't at 3,300 horsepower. Wow. It's a good looking car though, nice build for a race car. All that carbon fiber in there. 2 cup holders. Yep, it's got cup holders. Darn right. Those are drag racing slicks, from what I can tell. Well, they got treads on them. I don't know. It's got a bumper. You couldn't have those wheelie bars, I don't guess, but if you took those off, you might be able to drive down the street. Who cares? Either way, that's super cool. Don't you think? Look at that. Pro rides. Very cool. I wish, well, you know, like I said, sometimes I can get an interview and sometimes I can't. This one I couldn't, but you can't walk by a 69 Camaro with over 3,000 horsepower and not shoot a video of it. So, there you go. 6 seconds. Sick. S-I-C-K seconds. From Detroit Autorama 2013. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya.